Hi, welcome back to Strawberry Jam Toys. Today's lesson we will be searching for the matching mum. Let's find the baby zebra's mum. We found the baby zebra's mum. Let's find the baby goblin shark's mum. We found the baby goblin shark's mum. Let's find the baby shark's mum. We found the baby shark's mum. Let's find the baby crab's mum. We found the baby crab's mum. Let's find the baby polar bear's mum. We found the baby polar bear's mum. Let's find the baby penguin's mum. We found the baby penguin's mum. Let's find the baby gorilla's mum. We found the baby gorilla's mum. Let's find the baby whale shark's mum. We found the baby whale shark's mum. Let's find the baby turtle's mum. We found the baby turtle's mum. Let's find the baby blue tang's mum. We found the baby blue tang's mum. Let's find the lamb's mum. We found the lamb's mum. Let's find the baby cheetah's mum. We found the baby cheetah's mum. Let's find the baby lion's mum. We found the baby lion's mum. Let's find the baby hammerhead shark's mum. We found the baby hammerhead shark's mum. Let's find the baby frog's mum. We found the baby frog's mum. Let's find the baby donkey's mum. We found the baby donkey's mum. Let's find the baby platypus's mum. We found the baby platypus's mum. Let's find the baby dog's mum. We found the baby dog's mum. Let's find the baby rabbit's mum. We found the baby rabbit's mum. Let's find the piglet's mum. We found the piglet's mum. Let's find the baby panda's mum. We found the baby panda's mum. Let's find the baby dolphin's mum. We found the baby dolphin's mum. Let's find the baby cow's mum. We found the baby cow's mum. Let's find the baby horse's mum. We found the baby horse's mum. Let's find the baby reindeer's mum. We found the baby reindeer's mum. Let's find the baby emu's mum. We found the baby emu's mum. Let's find the baby ostrich's mum. We found the baby ostrich's mum. Let's find the baby monkey's mum. We found the baby monkey's mum. Let's find the clownfish's mum. We found the clownfish's mum. Let's find the baby octopus's mum. We found the baby octopus's mum. We hope you had fun learning, and we will see you at the next lesson.